This is my review of the TerraFlame Tabletop Geo Fire Bowl.
All right, let's check out the TerraFlame Stonecast Concrete Gel Fuel Fire Bowl set from TerraFlame, TerraFlame.com. Let's get straight to it. Here it is. This must be the fuel. Yes. Some good old sterno, as we used to call it. Let's see what we got here. What's this? Stones. All right, there it is. It's quite heavy. Oh, it's heavier than I thought it would be. Let's set it down. I don't drop it. Wow. I'm surprised that survived the shipping, being so heavy. Well, they packed it pretty well, though. All right. Fire and explosion hazard. Severe burns or death can occur. Never add fuel to a hot device. Sounds good. All right, let's put the rocks in there. This thing working straight away. Some beautiful gravel here. All right, let's see if we can light this without death or severe injury, even. Is that how it works? Just put it right in like that? Seems simple enough. Let's give it a shot. I assume you do something like this. Let's see. Oh, gently shake, then open, then place in receptacle, and then light and enjoy. Okay, well, I didn't shake it, but I just don't feel like it needs to be shaked. Here, let's see if we can get it lit. There we go. Ooh, that is something. Let's get this paper away from here. Oh, great. I've got some of this gel on my hand. I don't want to go near the flame now. Be sure to wash that up. Beautiful. There it is, the TerraFlame. Surprised I haven't lit the place on fire. Alright, that's really quite nice. I bet that'll burn for a long time on that old can of fuel. Then how do you put it out? I bet you don't put the lid on top. Well, maybe you do. That works. Alright, there it is, the TerraFlame. So far, I like it. I'll just mention that nowhere in the instructions does it tell you how to put this flame out, so I guess I'll try blowing it out again. How about try this? Can you try it? See how quickly that puts it out. Oh, beautiful. That goes out really quickly.
Okay, well, we gotta solve something.
So, I think they sell the snuffer separately. I wonder how fast they can deliver the snuffer when you got a flame going.
Yeah.
Well, we've been enjoying our TerraFlame Fire Bowl, but I do notice something strange. There's that popping sound, and then there's some kind of a film on the surface there that seems to be burning as if there was something foreign in there. And it pops every once in a while. Maybe there was some condensation in there. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, you can hear that popping. Interesting. Don't know what to make of it. Okay, overall, I think we're satisfied with this product. It's very simple. It does exactly what it claims to do. Provides a little flame indoors.
And if we were out of power.
And if we were out of power, we could always heat water just like that. So, we'll have to try that, see how long it takes. Maybe I'll make another video showing that. All right, thanks for joining.